So what I have here is a setup for a multi-trigger which is triggered by a sound signal. So I have two cameras which are connected to the 6-port studio multi-trigger. So this multi-trigger here is powered by USB, which is this power bank. So this is a standard 5-volt power bank with two USB ports. And there's this sound trigger module. You can set here the level when the cameras are triggered at which sound. Here's the LED to display the readiness and when the pictures are taken. This switch here is for the overall noise level. So with this and this potentiometer you can really cover a wide range of noise. You can have a very little noise and detect it, but you can also have a very loud noise and it will be detected depending on this setting. Here's a switch which can be programmed, and also a button which can be programmed. This unit is also powered by USB, and there's this connector which is going to the multi-trigger to trigger the multiple cameras. Attached to this box is the microphone, which is this little small unit. So you can place this sound trigger depending on where you want to have it. There's also the possibility to integrate this microphone into this box depending on your setup. So when I connect the unit, so when the unit is powered and ready to go, the blue LED will light up. Yeah, so both cameras are now ready, and when I trigger the sound, both cameras will take the picture at the same time. Because this is a Nikon and this is a Sony, those are different camera types. So you can see that the displays are not triggered at the same time. This is just because there's different camera models. If you're doing time critical shots like this one, you should always use the same camera model to get yeah, the best sync between the cameras. So this is very little noise, and then I can also like switch and dial here. And now it won't react to the sound because I have set a threshold to a whole to the maximum, and this won't trigger. But when I turn this potentiometer, it will now react. So when the blue LED is light up, it is ready to go, and when the trigger process is active, it will stay off. So it is blue again and I can trigger again. The trigger signal will stay like for 1 second, but this is adjustable. So if necessary you could also set the camera to serious picture mode and take several pictures behind each other, or you can just use it for one single shot.